show sa kanya.
Wow!
Wow! So can you explain to me what's this? It's a flower?
Yeah, it's a tree.
Okay, 3 flowers. Wow, that's so
And the
cute.
2 guys for being the best mom and dad. Best mom and dad.
Kasama si Daddy. Okay, thank you, Dexa. Ang cute naman nito. Ang galing din ni Dexa. Ito. Oh, another one daw, Dexa. Ayan pa. Oh, daming gift sa akin ni Dexa.
Wow!
Dexa, oh.
Ito din.
Daddy, gift sa akin ni Dexa, ha? O, asan pa?
Drawing pa siya.
Oh, nag-drawing pa. Ah, I love you, Mom! Mom!
Daddy one, open it. Open it.
Ang dami pala ni... Sabi ni Dexa, ang
Open.
dami sa akin.
Yeah.
Wow! It's about Mom!
You read it na.
Okay. All about my mom. My mom's name is Perla Legit. She is 44 years old. The best thing about her is she gives me
Cuddle.
cuddles. Our favorite thing to do together is
Playing together.
playing together.
Wow.
My mom is really good at cooking. Wow! My mom is happy when I
I watch movies.
watch movies. I love her because she is
Kind. Nice.
nice.
Wow.
Love Dexa. Oh,
Happy
ang
Mother's
dami.
Day!
Dexy and Dexa, love you guys. Oh, meron din siya.
Yan yung first ko. Kinuha niya sa akin.
Ito, meron din siya.
No, it's backwards.
Ito. That's so cute. Thank you guys.
Mama.
Busog ka na? Hindi busog. Ay, hindi pa nga. Oh. Ang gandang tingnan. Yan. Mas mahal ito.
And I think it looks out see. Come check. See.
Dexa! Sobrang tapang ng ano ko. Yung aking main wine. Ayan, Mother's Day cake!
Where do I put it?
Ganito pa sila. Oh. Parang New Year lang ang peg.
Where I put it? Happy Mother's Day, Mom. No, this one didn't like.
Yeah. Ayan, nabisi ang daddy pa din.
Wow.
Dexa, what can you say?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, malakas na ang boses ni Dexa. Mukhang magaling na.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers, cheers!
Cheers!
Happy Mother's Day!
Mother's Day, Mom. Love you.
Thank you! Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mami! Especially sa Starlight's Proper!
You burnt yourself?
Oh, that's not good! Cheers!
Cheers!
Okay!
Not
Oh,
the
sarap na ng ulo, Daddy.
Got and tempting.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day, everyone!
Now I put my hands again.
You did?
So, ito yung regalo ni Dexy sa akin for Mother's Day. Yan, ang ganda guys. Oh. So, may symbol pa nga itong binigay niya sa akin. Eh. 1 pink for I and 3 for orange for love, L-O-V-E, and then 3 yellow for the word you. Yeah, true. So, I love you. Yan. Yan daw ang ibig sabihin. Ang ganda din ang gawa niya dito. Ito din ang ganda din ng hawakan nito. Napaka-creative ni Dexy. Yan, nandito siya sa akin sa tabi ko, guys. Ayan, for Mother's Day 2024.
Me.
I-end up natin ang Mother's Day sa ganitong...
No, we're gonna still stay here
Eksena.
till nighttime. Until it's
Oh, malakas na
done.
yung isang yun. Wala na sakit.
Until it's dark, of course. I want want to have a great day today. I don't have any school tomorrow. I'm skipping school because I'm going to the doctor. Duh. That's what I always do when I'm sick. Duh. Duh.
Oh my God, Dexy. Ano nangyayari dyan sa kapatid mo?
I drank wine today. Remember, I told you in that video, I drank wine. That's why. I got drunk and then I began.
Dexa!
Ah,
Da! Wine ka dyan. Ayan, oo, may binubulong ang ate, oh.
hindi ko naman inom.
Kaya nga, may pa-wine-wine pa siya nalaman. Ay, matulog ka lang doon, ah. Cozy yung iyong bed.
Balik ka na dun sa bed mo.
Mukha mo yung upuan ni Daddy.
Happy Mother's Day again.
Dito sa Mama Day.
Saan? Okay na ako dito kasi nga nagkukosi-kosi lang. Balon.
And then sinabi ko, kinuha niya yung upuan ni Daddy niya.
Ah.
Pwede kami oras ng bangos. Oh.
Ay, naku, ang baho na yan pag tinuluan ng ano. Oh.
Mag-oily na to.
I know.
Mag-oily na siya.
Okay, enjoy lang kami here. Ayan.
Ito bango to eh.
Sarap ng ahugoy ng wax.
Yeah, kasi
She's dreaming. Wow.
You belong with me next.
Okay.
Next time, mukhang talo tayo sa... Next time, mukhang talo tayo sa...